Hello, in this step-by-step series we will be learning how to set up an object detector, and each video will be extremely detailed for beginners so that you'll be able to set it up with ease. So first off, we'll start off by going to the link in the description. If you don't have Anaconda yet, then you want to click on this link and you'll want to click download and click on the 64-bit graphical installer, and you can continue the process from there. Next, you'll need to install the yolo.yml file, and this is a Google Drive link, so all you need to do is click on it and click download. So you can click on the arrow down here and click show in folder, and it'll look something like this. Next, you'll want to create a folder in your C drive, so you can just click on local disk C. You'll want to right click, click new, and press folder, and you'll want to name it YOLO. Once you have this folder, you want to go back to your downloads and you'll want to copy the yolo.yml folder or file. So you just right click on it, press copy, go back to your C drive, click on the YOLO folder and paste it in there by right clicking and pressing paste. Next, you'll want to download the GitHub repository, and you can go to the link in the description and it'll say link to GitHub repo. Just click on this link and it'll take you to GitHub. You'll want to press on the green button up here that says code and click download zip. You'll want to click on the arrow down here and press show in folder. Just right click on it and press extract all and press extract. It'll look something like this. You want to right click on this folder, and then you'll want to copy it, go back to your C drive, click on to YOLO and just paste it in here. And that completes the first video for the prerequisite setup.